Hello, my name is Bredimus, and I wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you to the Texas Nurses Association and to my colleagues and staff who nominated me for this recognition. I am humbled and truly honored to be named one of the 2020 Year of the Nurse Award recipients. I can confidently say that the Year of the Nurse did not go as planned, in what many of us will say was the most challenging year we've ever experienced. For me, this past year highlights the value of nursing like none other could, bringing us closer to our mission and our purpose. In a year of disruption, fear, and uncertainty, nurses stepped up and epitomized compassion and courage. Finding the power in our purpose is what gives our lives meaning and provides us with the strength to get up every day and keep fighting. I was fortunate to find my purpose in a nursing career. I witnessed how nurses dramatically impacted people's lives. In taking care of patients, I found my purpose and my calling. I am called to serve. Nursing is what I am meant to do, and I am proud to be a nurse. I know that our devotion to helping others is what enables us to endure all the pain and suffering we are exposed to. Thank you to all my fellow nurses who gave so much of themselves to this purpose. Thank you to my incredible assistant Kim for all your help this year. And a very special thank you to my amazing wife Heather and my children for all the support you've given me in putting up with all the long hours and missed weekends so that I could be at the hospital supporting our staff. You remind me that no matter how bad it gets, I am loved and richly blessed. Thank you.